Welcome to Solver Fee.
In this question we have to find the frequency of the oscillation, and for that we have given data, that is mass of the car we have given, that is m1 is equals to 1500 kilograms, and we have given the mass of the driver, that is m2 is equals to 68 kilograms, and we have given the value of compression of the spring, that is x is equals to 5 mm, or I can say this is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. So first of all I am calculating the spring constant K. So we can say that F external force is written as, that is spring force, which is Kx. Now external force is given by the weight of this driver, that is m2 into g is equals to Kx. So we can say that K is given by, that is m2g by x. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 68 into 9.8 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. From here we get the value of K, and this is 1.333 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter. Now we have to find the frequency of oscillation. So we can say that frequency is given by, that is 1 upon 2 pi under root of K upon total mass, that is m1 plus m2. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 1 upon 2 pi under root of K is 1.333 into 10 to the power 5 upon total mass is 1500 plus 68. Now after solving this we get the value of frequency, and this will comes out to be 1.467 Hertz. So this is the frequency of the oscillation, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.